Okay guys, this is a 2024 Lincoln Aviator Reserve. Rebuilt title. Damage was right through here. Got pictures to show you if you want. Nothing damaged up here up front. This is all-wheel drive. It was damaged with 2,000 miles on it. It's got 5,000 miles on it now. It's been my family's demo for the last 3,000 miles. My wife's loved it. Drives great. Start it up here for you. You see 5,028 miles on it. Power folding mirrors, memory seats, smart key with remote start. Your cup holders, heated cooled seats, 360 camera. Park assist. So it's got your adaptive cruise and lane assist here. As you can see, still has the stickers on there. Let's see. It does have the big panoramic sunroof. So heated and cooled seats in the rear. Power options here. Some cup holders here. Does have the Revel Sound system. Does have the third row here. 6-passenger. Stock Michelin tires on it. Power lift gate. Power third row. Everything looks almost brand new down there. 5,000 miles. Again, damage was right through here. Had the skin removed in the door and the pictures. All been fixed up. Paint match is great. I do think Lincoln's got one of the most comfortable seats in the luxury models. They have all sorts of adjustments here. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.